Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, let me introduce myself. My name is Mulia Swendia, and in this video, I would like to present my thesis under the title Exploring EFL Teachers' Digital Creativity in Teaching English, a case study at SMA N1 Batipu. In this presentation, I would like to present first about the background of the problem, and I will continue to explain research question, objective, literature review, conceptual framework, previous study, research method, finding and discussion, and the last is conclusion. Okay, for the first, I would like to explain about the background of the problem. The rapid development of technology has driven change in the world of education, especially in English language teaching. Technology not only facilitates access to information, but also becomes a means for teachers and students to be creative in the learning process. According to Lee and Chen 2015, digital creativity is creativity supported by digital technology, which arises when teachers and students use digital tools to produce original projects in the classroom. However, in reality, there are still many EFL teachers who have not utilized technology optimally. So learning tends to be monotonous and less interesting. Therefore, this study is important to describe how EFL teachers at SMA N1 Batipu apply digital creativity in language teaching. In this research, there are two questions that I formulate to be answered through this research. The first is, what are the forms of digital creativity applied by EFL teachers at SMA N1 Batipu in teaching English? And the second question is, how is EFL teachers' digital creativity in teaching English at SMA N1 Batipu? So, the objective of this research, first, to identify the forms of digital creativity used by EFL teachers in teaching English at SMA N1 Batipu. And the second question is to describe EFL teachers' digital creativity in teaching English at SMA N1 Batipu. So, to support this research, I have reviewed some literature from several references related to what is teachers' creativity. I quote from Fabianti 2021. She stated that one of the qualities that teachers need to have to facilitate learning is creativity. The application of learning involves creativity in creating teaching materials, packaging materials into learning media, and developing the learning media itself. Meanwhile, related to what is teacher digital creativity, I quote the theory from Hoffman et al. 2016. He said that digital creativity is the creative creation of digital application and online activities, the use of creation of digital materials at school, and the use of digital media as a means of expressing ideas, feeling, or interest are all signs of a teacher's digital creativity. As a guideline of this research, I used the conceptual framework. This research focused on teacher digital creativity. I quote the theory from Lee and Chen 2015. He said that there are 6 aspects of teacher digital creativity. It consists of, the first is using technology to enhance collaborative learning, using digital media for language learning, using games and gamification for language learning, project-based learning with technology, development of critical skill and reflection through technology, and the last is accessibility and flexibility in learning. According to teachers' digital creativity, some researchers already conducted research. The first is research about the teacher creativity using digital creativity has been conducted by McBorough in 2019. The second is the use of learning tools in teaching English has conducted by Chabara 2020. And the third is technology enhanced creativity has been conducted by Bareski and Karpati in 2021. The design of this research was a case study and it was conducted at SMAN 1 Batipu. The research participant was one of the English teacher at SMAN 1 Batipu. The technique of data collection were interview and observation, while the data analysis followed the step of data reduction, data display, and conclusion or verification. Next, the finding and discussion. In this research, I found that the English teacher at SMAN 1 Batipu demonstrate a high level of digital creativity in teaching and learning process. The teacher consistently utilized various forms of digital technology such as instructional videos, podcasts, PowerPoint presentation, online education games such as WordWall, technology-based projects such as creating videos and CVs using Canva and collaborative platforms like Google Classroom and WhatsApp. The use of these technologies not only increase student interest and motivation to learn, but also help them understand the material more easily and enjoyable. Furthermore, the teacher encourage the development of students' critical thinking skill, teamwork, and independent learning through activities such as online discussion, learning reflection, and digital media exploration. The last is the conclusion of this research is English teacher at SMAN 1 Batipu demonstrate high digital creativity in teaching. The use of technology such as learning apps, gamification, and digital projects enhance students' motivation, engagement, and creativity. Online collaboration also support the development of social skills while self-directed learning offers flexibility. However, challenges such as limited access, technical issues, and unequal access to devices still need to be addressed to make digital learning more effective and inclusive. Okay, that's all my presentation about my thesis. Thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.